this is your final review, numbers 10 and 11. These are the only two where you absolutely have to complete the square. For the first one, we're just trying to find c. So we're just going to do that thing where we take down the number in front of x, divide it by 2, and square it. So we have x squared plus 14x plus c, and we're trying to figure out what c is. We're going to bring down 14, then we're going to divide it by 2. When I do that, I get 7. We're going to square it, which gives me 49, and that is going to be my answer for c. So your final answer is going to be c equals 49. So this one's really just doing the work for your completing the square, but not actually solving it. The next one says, use completing the square to rewrite the equation in vertex form, name the vertex, and the y-intercept. So right now we have y equals x squared minus 12x plus 34. Remember, when I complete the square, I want to have x squared and x all by themselves. So I'm going to subtract 34 from both sides. When I do that, I have y minus 34 equals x squared minus 12x. Then we're going to do our completing the square process where we bring down the negative 12 and divide it by 2. When I do that, I get negative 6. And then when I square it, I get 36. So remember, we're going to take that 36 and we're going to add it to this side. We're also going to add it to this side over here. I'm going to zoom out so I have a little more space, or a lot more space. So when I do that, I will have y minus 34 plus 36 equals x squared minus 12x plus 36. When I do y minus 30, when I do negative 34 plus 36, I get y minus 2, plus 2 equals, and then let's simplify this side. Remember, I could do x plus whatever number I got when I cut it in half. Since it is a negative number, instead of plus, I'm actually going to have a minus. So x minus 6 squared. All right, and to put it into vertex form, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. And when I subtract the 2 from the other side, it's going to be outside of my parentheses. So we're going to have y equals x minus 6 squared minus 2. This is going to be my equation in vertex form. To find my vertex, we're going to take the opposite of the number on the inside, so 6, and then just take the number on the outside, negative 2. That would be my vertex. And then to find my y-intercept, I'm going to go ahead and plug in 0 for x. So I'm going to do my y-intercept at the top. So we're going to do y equals 0 minus 6 squared minus 2. If I do that, I'd get negative 6 squared minus 2, which is 36 minus 2, which equals 34, which would be my intercept. So there you have it, your vertex form, your vertex, and your intercept.